Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create a group chat on Messenger. Now if you want to create a group chat on Messenger but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now creating a group chat is a very easy step. In the previous version you may simply create the group chat by clicking on the option of create group chat at the very top, but in this version it has changed a bit. To create a group chat you need to simply connect to Wi-Fi on your device and open Messenger app on your device. So after opening Messenger, you may click on the option or open the conversation with the option you want to create a group chat, and at the very top you'll see their profile and their name. So click on the option of profile or the name, and after that it will take you to this page where you'll see the various options like theme, quick reaction, nickname, word effect, and more actions. So under more action you'll see the option of create group chat with the specific person name. So click on it and select the number of person you want to add in your group. So I'll just simply add one person in this group, and you may also group your name by clicking on the option of group name, which is an optional option. So after selecting the number of people you want to add on your group, you may click on the option of create. So as you can see, the group has been created. Now you may text your person and you may click on the option of send to send the message to the. So that's it. That's how you can create a group chat on Messenger. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.